Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, remove all peripherals and power cycle the machine to isolate external failures. Once done, force 2 cold boots and listen for BIOS or post beeps because they indicate hardware faults. Make sure to have a USB recovery drive or Windows install media ready. You'll need it for repair tools. If you can access BIOS/UEFI, check boot order and drive detection. That tells you whether the system sees your disk. Don't waste time. Confirm basic hardware visibility first. Now boot into the recovery environment using your USB media or the built-in recovery options because repair utilities can fix common boot problems. First, run Startup Repair. It auto-fixes bootloader and configuration issues. If that fails, try System Restore to revert recent changes. This undoes problematic updates or drivers. When needed, open Command Prompt to run chkdsk to repair file system errors, sfc/scano to fix corrupt system files, and bootrec/fixember/fixboot. If repairs complete, boot into safe mode to update drivers and run Windows Update so the issue doesn't recur. This prevents driver conflicts. Once you're confident, choose Reset this PC, keeping files for a cleaner system without data loss, or perform a clean install only if necessary. If problems persist, run hardware diagnostics on RAM and storage because failing components mimic boot failures. One key tip: swap suspected drives or memory into a working system to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.